Hi, welcome to this video. This video is about makeup tutorial, and let's get started. And I am Gwen, and I hope you will like this video. And then let's get started. I have here this Olay Night Olay.
Hindi ko nga matutungkol sa'yo. Oo, ano man siya pa.
There, do you see it? First we will do this, and I have here a nice brush, and my mom made it, and she popped up in top, yeah, and it's open.
Pag-isipan mo muna bago ka lumapit sa akin. Hindi mo ba narinig ang usap-usapan nila sa atin?
And then
Nabibiktima ako ng mga inosenteng babae. O ano? Sasermonan mo ako ngayon. Sinermonan na ako ng nobyo mo.
There, I have it on face. So we'll do the natural makeup with the master. I don't master makeup so scary. And then I have put my face a moisturizer, and I have here a My Baby powder. I don't want to use any foundation powder. I want to use baby powder because baby powder is cleaning its minerals in skin and with the vitamin. And here is Temple Toilet Consummate. There, have it all. And I have here a nice brush. See my nice brush? There. So I will put it down. I put clean. Sorry. So put it on it. So face get clean hair. Not so dark. And I have here I have here some little so real and I have here the Miss Beauty Crystal Brightening Coat. I have the brown one. Yes, the brown one. I will use the brown one and the white one. Here. There, the brown one and the white one. So first we will do so my lid is the brown one.
recent nutrition survey says 70% of Filipino households don't get the right amount of most vitamins and minerals daily. You have to eat all these to get what you need. Many of help complete your nutrition.
Sorry, this kind of brown. There, but brown, whatever. And the color, wait. I'm gonna use the white one because it's good. You can see the brown one. I don't like the brown one, but I have here another for eyeshadow. The color, this color, and the other. So my latest chunk on it, and I have the glitters and non-glitters. And I have here another eyeshadow, another lid, so I will put it on it. I forgot my eyeshadow in our car. So I will use this black. This is Pachuchella. Pachucuela Dumpras Texas. Yes, I have it. The 7Y325. Top of it. So Mama brought it in America because I am from France. I will use the first brush. Yes. Oh. This. I will do this on my lid. So get ready. Okay, let's start. I don't have a lot of oh. Are you eating? You're hungry. So this kind of eyeshadow is not so real. Oh. There, and then I'll put and I'll put now the black. This color of black is so real good.
ka nga. Sa tingin mo, meron kang nanilalaan sa akin. Ayaw ko saktan ng kapatid ko. Kahit na anong paliwanag ko, yun pa rin ang mangyayari dahil gano'n ka nakamahal.
And then I have
Hindi
put
naman
it
madali para
on
sa
my
akin.
lid.
Itatanong naman nila tatay kapag nalaman nila kung anong totoo.
So, Monster Idol's my favorite. But my friends like that, so I give it to her all my collection of Monster High dolls. I don't even do makeup tutorial of Monster High because you know, so yeah.
Ito nga pala yung pinaplano kong biling lupa, Brad. Dito ko papatayo yung bahay na titira namin ni Manila. Alam ko, bago pa lang kami magnobyo, pero siya na yung babaeng nakikita ko makakasama ko habang buhay. Tapos ikaw, Brad, pwede yung patayo yung bahay mo dyan, no? Siya kaya ang pamilya mo. Pari mga anak natin, magkakasamang lumaki. Magkakasamang magkakalaro. Hindi ka masaya. Kaya bang hanggang sa pagtanda, magkapit-bahay tayo? Brad, yung tungkol kay Merlinda. Sigurado ka bang mahal niya? Alam kong hindi pa ako mahal, Brad. Sana yun.
I'm so sorry.
Hindi ba lagi nasa isip niya?
Top of it is so in the makeup tutorial you must be careful and spread it.
Siya lang isang babae para sa akin. Dala ng awa at konsensya para sa kapatid. Hindi nagawang sabihin ng tatay ang totoo sa daling nun. Akala niya ay magkakaroon ko siya ng ibang pagkakataon, pero nagkamali. Tuloy-tuloy kayo.
Oh,
Nagkabala pa kayo. Opo kayo, opo kayo. Sandali lang, ha? Merlinda, liga.
there.
May sasabihin mahalaga si Roque sa'yo. Opo kayo, opo. Sige, tira muna kayo.
It's pretty. Okay, pink. Okay. And I have here a shit. I have here
Ikaw lang ang babae gusto ko makasama
a
sa buhay.
I have here a pure gloss, color gloss.
Tayo ka ba rin magpakasal sa akin?
I have put pure color glass, so I wanted to have a sign on the top of my lid, so it's okay for pretty. So but at first, let's do first the Mom, what's color of it? What's this? My moms don't know this, but I thought this I broke or whatever. So I will do it, honey. So where's my glass? I'll put it on it.
Alam ko din nakakarating. Ang trabaho sa mga importante sa akin dito kayo. Hindi pwedeng matuloy yung kasal.
And then I have to do the mascara. Mascara. There, I have mascara. Mama, buy this from the London. Yeah, we have a lot of it. We have a lot of this. There. I have it on it. So I have it. So I will put the pure glass on my thing.
Mahal mo naman ako, di ba? Kaya ko kalimutan lahat. Kaya ko patawarin lahat. Sabihin mo lang sa akin, na mahal mo ako. Sabihin mo lang sa akin na papakakasalan mo na Linda.
There, I have created a special pack. Tosh. And then we'll go to the another part of it. We will go to the lips. I have here the yellow lipstick. Yellow lipstick. This is super dark, but it is nice because this is having ingredients so real good. So my mom let me and buy this because I have a lot of money to buy with it, and then I will put it on my.
Pwede ka maging milyonaryo sa loob ng isang minuto. Philippine version of Minute to Win It. January 14th, Minute to Win It. The year of the snake. A child shall be chosen with
This real dark.
supernatural powers. What important treasure.
I have here an iPod, and my mom buys me an iPod, and she have a Barbie fashionista. So you have it on it. But my next makeup tutorial is this girl. Oh. Yes! This kind of girl. But I will next makeup tutorial. Okay? And then thank you for this community. But I have the next one. I will put the next here from the top and the color, whatever in my next makeup tutorial. And I promise, thank you for all of it. Bye! Mwah. Bye! Do you like it, my looks or not? Bye! See you.
It takes one button to send money.
Bye! Thank you for watching.